Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make dashing game using Scratch. So I make this Scratch has to be tiny. And now, when flag clicked, forever, if then, key depressed. These are the things that allow the thing to move. This one's key W pressed, and this one's key S pressed. Change X by 10. Change X by -10. Change Y by 10. And change Y by -10. Now I have the scratch cards that can move. Now we also want to implement the dashing feature. So if then if key J is pressed, then change the X by, I don't know, 40. As you can see, this dashing feature works. But now I want it so that you only be able to press it once. So I'm making a variable called CLK, which is click. Set CLK to 0. If the key J is pressed and CLK equal to 0, set CLK to 1. If they're not, mouse down, then set key CLK to 0. No, if they're not, key J pressed, set CLK to 0. Now I can dash. Now change this to like 70. Now I want to be able to dash depending in the direction that this card is facing in. Now I will throw this if key D is pressed, pointing direction 90. If key A is pressed, pointing direction -90. This one pointing direction 80. It's -180. Direction 0. And this one pointed direction 180. And now instead of change X by L, we change to move 10 steps. just to like move 65 steps. Now we can dodge successfully. I also wanted that when it dashes, it will create a clone of itself. Oops, before I move 65 steps, it will create a clone of itself. Of course, this will get pretty messy after a while. When I start as a clone, change, repeat 10, change ghost by 10, then delete this clone. That's a lot more cooler looking. And now, I'm also going to add a boss. Now make this boss very simple. One flower clicked. Forever. Move 10 steps. If on edge bounce. Pointing direction. Pick random 1 to 360. Oops. If then, touching the edge, pointing direction, pick two from 1 to 360. Make this boss to be much bigger. Also make it to move faster, like move 20 steps. Let me move this. Let me add if on edge bounce. I'll set this initial exposition to this. And now, if then, touching sprites 2, then stop, because that means you've lost. I think I should make this smaller. You're going to make this lower. 15 steps. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.